Look at the drivability of 410 gears. I'm in 5th gear right now. This is a pretty sharp corner. I'm going uphill in 5th gear at, I'd say, about 1400 RPMs. Now if I let off the gas, of course I'm going to have some cam surge, but you know, that's the nature of the beast, especially in 5th gear going uphill. Look at this. Oh, sharp corner right here, it's see. And it's lugging, but it's pulling. And all this is uphill in 5th gear. I'm gonna throw it in neutral just cause I don't want this thing to cam surge. But yeah. I'm gonna show you something else too when I get up here on this hill up here. I'm gonna pull out in 2nd gear on an incline just to show you. I mean, of course in the video it doesn't do it justice, but this is an incline, I swear. Okay, so here we are, and just so you know, that's 2nd gear.